If you're in HR, you know this feeling. An employee record needs updating. It sounds so simple, right? But it quickly turns into this tangled, manual maze that just slows everything down. Let's talk about how to get out of it. Just think about it for a second. One single employee update. Maybe they move to a new address. How many different systems does your team actually have to log into and update for that one little change? The number is probably way higher than you think. And that, right there, is a massive bottleneck in your day-to-day. So first, let's really dig into the problem. We call it the manual data maze. Okay, so for that one address change, your clerk has to log into the main HR system, then they hop over to the payroll platform, then of course the benefits portal, and don't forget the compliance systems. They're literally typing the exact same information again and again into completely different screens. And the fallout from this? Oh, it's huge. It's not just slow and inefficient, it's genuinely risky. Every single time someone types that data in manually, there's a chance for a typo. And that can lead to major headaches, like payroll mistakes and totally mismatched records across your most important systems. So what's the fix? Well, the solution is automation. Let's look at how a system can be taught to do all of this heavy lifting for you and do it perfectly every single time. Imagine a tool like ZAPTEST. It's kind of like having a super fast learner just watching what your team does. It records every single click, every login, every piece of data they enter across all those different platforms. Yeah, even the old clunky ones. And here's where the magic happens. ZAPTEST takes all of those recorded actions and weaves them into a single automated script. So what used to be 4 or 5 or even more separate manual tasks, well, that becomes one intelligent workflow that just runs itself. So what's the real payoff here? Let's talk about the benefit, because the impact is something you can actually measure. 90%. Let that sink in. That's how much faster you can process employee data changes. Something that used to chew up hours of tedious work can now be done in just a few minutes. But, this is about so much more than just speed. It's about completely transforming what your team does all day. They go from mind-numbing repetitive data entry to high-value strategic work, like focusing on employee engagement or planning for the future of your workforce. When you look at the outcomes, they're crystal clear. Your data is perfectly synced up, completely error-free. Your people are freed up to do more meaningful work. And the best part, this isn't just for HR. You can take this same approach and scale it across finance, IT, you name it. So, in the end, this whole thing isn't really about getting rid of a boring task. It's about unlocking the true potential of your people. So I'll leave you with this question. What could your team really achieve if they had 90% more time?